Hello guys, it's David here from Unique Chrysler, and behind me is our 2020 Jeep Wrangler with a power sky roof. It's our last one, guys, and we are going to show you today on how to remove the doors on a step-by-step process. So let's hop inside the vehicle here, and we're going to start with step number one and just turn the vehicle on to run mode. Now why we need to do this is we need to roll all the windows down just so we can cut this power supply off to the doors and while we're removing them. So we're just going to roll down these two windows here. And there are 3 bolts that need to be removed from these doors. So we got the 2 front hinges as well as a hinge on the inside that we need to remove. And I'm going to show you guys how to remove all those here. So Jeep provides us with a tool rated kit. Now you can disassemble your whole Jeep with this unit here. And we will start with the first torque bit and our little ratchet set here to remove the nuts on the hinge. So now we're going to add the extension one here, and we are going to remove the hinge on the inside. Now guys, I can't stress enough how important this one is. You do not want this hinge here to retract back into the door. It's a little bit of a pain to get back out. So first we're going to start by just loosening this bolt here. If it wants to loosen. There we go. And then what I do is just close the door just a bit. And right in here, we are going to move the electrical wiring harness. So I'll let you guys get a closer look in there. You'll see a little red lever. That's what you're going to want to pull to remove that harness out. And just like that. We will continue . And once we get towards the end here, guys, we just want to be very careful as this door may swing, and the last thing we want to do is hit the car with the door. And just like that. So now what I like to do is I'll come around to the painted side. I'll grab onto the handle, grab onto the top, lift it off the hinges. And just like that, I'll carry this to the garage, hang it up, and then we'll continue with the remaining of the doors. Now I'm going to quickly put it back on, and it's the same steps just in reverse on how to attach it back. And I can't stress enough, be very, very careful of this hinge, that you do not want that to retract. Okay, so and very simple, back up on the hinges, line up the top one, then the bottom, back in it goes, and then always start with putting back in the hinge bolt. So I just give it a couple twists by hand first. It's in there, we don't have to worry about that. Then this here, just continue with tightening it. We are then going to attach the safety harness back onto the clip here, and the electrical harness right back into the connector. Switch that little white flip down. It's connected, good to go. Perfect. Now we're going to continue here, guys, just with putting on the door hinge bolts. Always start by hand, just to get a couple threads going. Perfect. Now guys, same thing for the back one. I'm not going to show you how to remove those back bolts and everything, but one thing I do want to touch upon is just the wiring harness is a little bit different from the back to the front. It is located right in there, same kind of thing. You remove the panel, there is no switch, it's just a quick little pull out of that wiring harness. Guys, my name's David. I'm a sales representative here at Unique Chrysler, showing off our 2020 Jeep Wranglers that we have left in inventory. Come down and see us located at 915 Walker's Line in Burlington to get yourself into one of these Wranglers before they're all gone.